Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for Sir Haryadisha who has been giving us the opportunity to speak in here.
By completing speaking a segment that includes question and answer about politics and bullying.
Okay, Vanessa, I want to ask you about politics. How can public participation in politics be increased?
Encourage voting and protest.
How does politics influence interfaith and interracial relations?
Politics can foster unity,
How do political policies impact education and healthcare?
regulate service, and influence accessibility.
How can politics promote equality and social justice?
Implements policies addressing discrimination.
How does politics address poverty and inequality?
Governments implements policies on taxation.
How do political policies affect economic growth?
Policies influence investment.
How does politics influence inflation and unemployment?
Fiscal policies impact economic stability.
How does politics regulate international trade?
Governments set tariffs and trade agreements.
How do political policies impact investment and economic growth?
Taxation and regulation.
How does politics affect trade balance?
Export, import, and trade agreements.
How does globalization impact domestic politics?
Cultural exchange and international relations.
How does politics influence international relations?
International organizations shape global interaction.
How do political policies shape a nation's global role?
Foreign policy and international aid.
How can politics foster international economic cooperation?
International institutions and diplomatic relations.
How does politics address global challenges like climate change and terrorism?
International cooperation and collective action address global issues.
How can political polarization be reduced?
Encourage dialogue and bipartisan cooperation.
How does social media impact political discourse?
Social media influences public opinion.
Okay, how can electoral processes be improved?
Implement voting reforms and regulate campaign finance.
How does politics address human rights?
Governments enact laws and policies.
And the last, how can good governance be promoted?
Foster transparency and citizen participation. Thank you. Okay, Alpi, I want to ask you about bullying. How school prevent bullying effectively?
Implement a zero tolerance policy, anti-bullying programs, and inclusive environments.
How do bullying prevention program impact student behavior?
Educate to raise awareness, reduce bullying, and foster empathy.
How can teachers intervene in bullying situation?
Recognize, support victims, stop incidents, and report bad policies.
How does parental involvement help prevent bullying?
Parents monitor, educate, and collaborate with schools.
How can bystander intervention reduce bullying?
Bystanders weaken bullies' power and support victims.
How does bullying affect victims' mental health?
Bullying causes anxiety, depression, and social isolation.
How can bullying lead to psychological trauma?
Victims may develop PTSD, fear, or trust issues.
How does cyberbullying impact self-esteem?
Cyberbullying damages self-confidence and humanities victims.
How can bullying contribute to suicidal thoughts?
Rapid bullying increases suicidal thoughts.
How does bullying affect academic performance?
Victims often lose focus and motivation and harming academics.
How does verbal bullying differ from physical bullying?
Verbal bullying insults, physical involved harm.
How can rational bullying, social exclusion be addressed?
Promote awareness, teach empathy, and mediate conflicts.
How does cyberbullying manifest on social media?
Cyberbullying uses rumors, threats, or manipulate images.
How can bullying based on identity, race, gender, sexuality, and combat?
Educate on diversity, punish discrimination, support inclusion.
How does bullying in the workplace impact employees?
Workplace bullying lowers productivity and increases stress.
How can victims of bullying find support and resources?
Seek counselors, support groups, or anti-bullying resources.
How do counseling services help bullying victims?
Counselors help build confidence and coping strategies.
How can hotlines and helplines assist bullying victims?
Hotlines offer advice and connect victims to services.
How do anti-bullying laws and policies protect victims?
Laws impose penal, protect victims, and require prevention.
How can community engagement free victim bullying?
Raise awareness, engage leaders, and promote respect. Thank you.